Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to do a word work lesson about the digraph SH. So we have learned about this digraph before, so let's try to remember, what does SH make when those two letters are together? We know that by itself the S says S and the H says H, but together, when those two words are together, they make the sh sound. So when you see the SH together at the beginning of a word, in the middle of a word, or the end of the word, you know that it makes the sh sound. Go ahead and try to say that. Shh. Good job. All right, so we are going to build some words today. If you would like to get out your wipe off board and your whiteboard marker, you can, so you can follow along with us. And then we are going to read a poem together, and we're going to find some of those SH words. So I am going to try something new today. I'm going to use my little magnet letters here on the computer. So hopefully this will help you be able to see my words a little bit better. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The first word we are going to make starts with the digraph, S-H-O-P. So go ahead and make that right now with your wipe off board. All right, so we have sh-op, sh-op. What's the word? Shop. Good job. Now I'm just going to change one letter. I'm going to change the vowel to an I. So now we have sh-ip. What's the word? Ship. Ship. Good job. Now if I take away the S, now we just have a CVC word. Ip. Hip. Like I put my hand on my hip. All right, let's go ahead and put back our S. And now we have our digraph together again, the SH. Ship. What's the word? Ship. Excellent. And we are going to make this word again with our O in the middle. Shop. Shop. All right, I'm going to take down my S, and now I just have H-O-P. Let's blend that word together. Hop, hop. Like I saw the bunny hop. All right, we're going to change our beginning sound to a T. T, 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 op. Top. What's the word? Top. Like I put my hat on top of my head. All right, let's put our SH in the beginning again. And we already made that word a couple times. Let's say it quick this time. Shop, shop. Now we're going to change our ending to CK at the end. CK at the end is also a digraph. Those are two letters that when they are together, they make their own sound. They make the sound K. So we don't have to say K, K 2 times. It's just going to say K 1 time when we see those two letters together. So let's blend this word together. Sh-op. What's the word? Shock. Shock. Like I got a shock from the electricity. All right, we're going to put up our P again. And we know that word. We made it a couple times already. What is it? Shop. Good job. And if we take down our S again, we have the word hop, hop. And if I change my vowel in the middle, now I have ip, hip. All right, great job, my friends. So today, because that was one of the first times that we made those words, it made a lot of the same words over and over again for us to practice. So next time, we will try some more. All right, so now what we're going to do is I am going to show you a poem, and we are going to look for all the SH words in the poem. We are going to look for some words that have SH in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. All right, so this poem is called Shayna the Shark. And after we are done reading the poem, we are going to highlight those SH words. So if you want, if you see any SH words, you can write them on your whiteboard or on a sheet of paper if you have it. Shayna the Shark. Oh, I can already hear my voice making that sh sound. Shayna the shark was always thinking. She thought about some shrimp, and she thought about some shells. Shayna the shark saw a fishing ship and thought about shaking the bells. Shayna thought the ship had fish, so she gave the ship 3 big shakes. 30 fish swam to the shore. Shayna chomped on the fish and thought about how to get more. All right, so we're going to go through each line of the poem. And as we go through the poem, we are going to find those SH words. All right, so SH, that's what we are looking for. Those 2 letters together, that makes the sh sound. Shayna the shark. Look at that. In the title, I see Shayna and I see the word shark. Both of those words have the SH digraph. Shayna the shark was always thinking. Oh, I see that again. Shayna, shark. She thought about some shrimp. Oh, there's one that's also a sight word. She and shrimp. Good job. And she thought about some shells. Oh, there's another one. Shells. Shayna the shark saw a fishing ship. Oh, this one has SH in the middle of the word. Fishing ship. And thought about shaking the bells. Did you find one in this line? Good job. Shaking. Shayna thought the ship had fish. Oh, there's another one at the end. Fish. So she gave the ship 3 big shakes. Shakes. 30 fish swam to the shore. Shayna chomped on the fish and thought about how to get more. All right, my friends, I found a lot of SH words. So I am going to post this poem on Edsby, and maybe you could practice reading this poem and practice reading and writing some of those SH words with the sh digraph. You could also go through the poem and find sight words, because there's a lot of sight words in this poem that we did not practice. All right, I hope you all had fun today learning about the SH digraph. I miss you, and I hope that I will see you soon. Bye.